Sanitization of the equipment is a must-have in the food industry. The new Scirocco has been designed with this purpose in mind. Not only high packaging performance and quality, but also hygienic design. As a matter of fact, hygienic design can reduce the impact on the environment for sanitization procedure by reducing the usage of water, energy, chemical cleaning products, and limiting CO2 emissions. The equipment developed around hygienic design allows to save up to 48% of water during sanitation procedures. Let's go back to the Scirocco. The new Scirocco is a high-performance wrapping machine that makes high-pack quality with a drastically reduced downtime for cleaning, sanitization and maintenance procedures.